Round two.
For this trip, we met up with some new friends and headed 80 miles south in an effort to find some deep snow to play in.
We're getting ready to do the Skyline Trail up Spanish Fork Canyon, do a little snow wheeling. We're here with Austin from Rocky Mountain Redneck and a couple of his friends. So we're about ready to get started. We just did a little airing down. Anything you want to add, Ryan?
It's real slick, so this is going to be fun.
Yeah, these tires here, I've got these Mickey Thompson ATs, and already gotten a little stuck in the snow, so we are down way low. Hopefully that gives us the traction we need. But hey, that's what we're here to find out.
Yeah, go ahead, Kevin. I'll play tail gunner.
The trail started out easy enough, but almost immediately we got word that there was an issue.
Hey, guess what? Hey, goodbye.
We lose him already?
Hello?
Say again? Are you good? Say again? Are you guys okay?
Well, looks like one of the guys can't get into four-wheel drive, and so he got stuck just about leaving the parking lot, it sounds like. So we're up here just waiting, seeing how long it's going to be till they get here.
All right, well, hopefully we'll get going soon.
It ended up just being a simple slide off into a ditch, so we were able to get going again quickly. We didn't know it yet, but we'd be spending a lot of time right here.
Well, here we are. We made it maybe a half mile up the trail. Been having some vehicle issues. One of the guys can't get into four-wheel drive, and it looks like one of the other Suburbans that's with us here lost reverse in their transmission and is currently blocking the road. So we're now going to pull out all the recovery gear and make something happen here.
Oh, ah! I'm falling in the snow. I think he is, yeah.
Even a relatively simple recovery like this one can take quite a bit of time, but with the winches and even a little bit of muscle power, we soon had all of the broken trucks pointed back towards home.
Okay, we got everybody unstuck, and now we're gonna head out and hopefully do some more wheeling.
Not long after letting the snowmobiles pass, the snow started to get quite a bit deeper. So the last of our new friends turned back, leaving just the Jimmy and Blazer to continue on. Following the snowmobile tracks led us deeper into the mountain. And as the sun came out from behind the clouds, the trail started to get a lot more difficult.
Suddenly caught traction.
So having a blast out here on the trail. So waiting for Josh right now. Seems like he got a little bit stuck. fact that you're all the way up here, though, it's pretty cool still.
Oh, for sure. On the other lap.
Walkers definitely help. I'm getting some crazy, like, torque steer when my differential shifts side to side. Got off kilter just a little bit and digging all 4 tires down. We'll see if he's gonna need to pull a winch or have him grab a strap. Well, it looks like we're gonna pull the strap. I'm gonna try and back him out of here and assess how much further up this road we're gonna go. So far, only snowmobiles are making it up past here.
Whoa! What happens if he gets stuck and you get stuck?
We got winches. We're not getting stuck.
Well, I meant you'd have to hook up to trees then, right?
Yep.
Well, we tried the strap, didn't quite work. He was a little bit off the side of the road and don't want to try and pull him in a weird position, so we switched over to the winch.
Get a little. Come on. Do it some. Keep going. Straighten it out. Go. There you go.
Round 2.
It's stuck a little deeper now.
I'm so
Okay.
far away from the gas pedal.
Get it, bro. Come on. Towards me. Towards me. Stay right there. Right there. Get it gas. Get it gas. Come on. Come on. Right there. Right there. Good. Good. Nice. Okay, stop. Well, it took a little bit of work, but luckily we both have winches. You can see we got off the embankment here a little bit, and that pretty much ended the day. Just keep slipping off, and we could go, but we don't know how much farther this trail is, and I think we've had about enough fun for one day. So we got her pointed back down the trail here, and time to head home.
On the road again.
today was a lot of fun out here on the Skyline Drive. We're up Spanish Fork Canyon. Unfortunately, we had some mishaps where a couple of trucks didn't make it very far up the road.
Yeah, it got pretty deep up near the top. Like Ryan's saying, we had to leave a few of the guys down pretty early because they actually broke down. So we helped them get turned around. But we went up, I don't know, a few more miles, but we got into a couple of feet of snow, and that was all we could do too. So
at some point, you just got to throw in the towel and say, it was a good day. Try again another time.
We're getting all aired up here and ready to head home. See you next time, guys.